Yes guys, join me on this episodes as every content has a part of my heart. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yes, John Streets.
Pasok ulit.
Yes guys, maulan na tanghali. Yan yung situation dito guys, walang tao kasi actually umaambon siya guys. Jones Bridge going to Chinatown.
Atas ng hangin.
Medyo lumalakas ng hangin guys, pero iwan ko ba sarili ko, every time na nakakakita ko ng puno gusto ko itutok yung camera. I love the greenery. Yes. Yan guys, sumahangin na siya. Yes.
July 22 Monday, may bagyo.
Ayan yung arc ng Chinatown from Jones Bridge. Actually guys, papunta kasi kong Divisoria. Kaya from Luton going to Divisoria tong route na ito.
Traffic signs guys, so one way.
Yes guys, San Vicente Street, Binondo, Chinatown. I'm heading to Divisoria. Yan yung street dito ngayon guys ng Binondo or sidewalks of Binondo. Medyo may bagyo, umaambon ng konti kaya siguro masyadong tao. Yes guys, thank you for watching. Watch out for my new content episodes. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye for now.